Hello, everyone. Welcome to the first week of the Teaching Online course. So this is going to be week one. So we'll start with the learning modules. Module one, I believe that your assignment schedule has a module 0, but for this offering, we have combined module 0 and module 1 together. So you'll find everything you need in module 1, online introduction and first impressions. So each module starts with a description of the module, and first week is going to be just to become familiar with the course and to do a little bit of self-assessments about what you already know about teaching online. There's a checklist here that you can have as reference to make sure that you complete what you need done. You'll notice that due dates are either Wednesday or Sunday of each week, and this is consistent throughout every module. So you're going to introduce yourself and then meet your fellow classmates, and you should also respond to other classmates. This is kind of an icebreaker, and it's a nice time for us to get to meet each other and to get to know a little bit about each other and to start to form a sense of community. You have a quiz on the learning management Blackboard skills. There's a scavenger hunt of 10 questions just to get you familiar with the course. This is a common method used in online courses to get students familiar with the structure of the course. You have a self-assessment from Penn State. I will not see these results. Nobody will, only you will. So just go ahead and be honest. You're going to use the results from this assessment to complete the first reflection journal, which will ask you to reflect upon the results of the assessment. What were you surprised by? What do you think will be useful for you? And what this week was important to you? And so that wraps up week one of the TOC. Stay safe, stay healthy.